Okay, maps and basic topography. Okay, this is, let me get my top screen out of the way. This is the Wonderland Trail. This was a good map. This was done by Casey several years ago. I've taught with Casey for several years, and back in the day, I really didn't know much about topo maps. I knew, backtrack. I knew a lot about topo maps, but I didn't know how to present them like from Google Earth. So Casey has helped me a lot. This is the Wonderland Trail. It's a 92-mile trail around Mount Rainier. You have to sign up to do it. This is a topo profile. This is the profile. If you were to start here, you're going to do this and this and this and all the way around on the Wonderland Trail. It's quite a hike. Okay, topo maps. They show the physical features and terrain of an area. They show the three-dimensional landscape, its contours, elevations, topo features, bodies of water, and vegetation, and it's ideal for backpackers. This is what you see on a topo map. This is what you see in real life, okay? This is the water line. These are contour lines. This is the main contour line, and this is what you see on the terrain of the land. Making a topo map, this is the ground, obviously. This is the topo map above it. It's taking 3D physical features and putting it onto a 2D map. You can see at the very top, this round circle here represents a round circle right here. It's like taking anything and flattening it down, and it's what I call this view is the bird's eye view. The bird's eye view looking down on this topography. Okay, I put this on up here because we all know Badger Mountain. Hopefully you guys know Badger Mountain. This is a topography map of Badger Mountain. This right here is the Shockley side. I call it the Shockley side. It's the Badger Mountain Park side right here. This, as you follow, is the trail up the canyon. You see the canyon. You're going to go up here like this. In fact, the next slide will show you what it really is. But you can see where you can start. Next time you hike Badger, you'll see the canyon. You've seen it already. This is the harder side of hiking Badger Mountain, and it goes around like this, comes around like this. It's halfway comfortable here, and then you're going to go up these contour lines. This is the harder part. This is the bench at the top. It's the rock bench. Then you're going to go up here like this, coming across contour lines, which means you're going to be going up. Okay, as long as you stay level on a contour line, it's going to be a comfortable hike. This is this hike, Trailhead Park. Here it goes up like this. This one's not so bad. The rock is about right here, the Lake Lewis rock, representing Lake Lewis, about 13, 14, 15,000 years ago when the Missoula Ice Age floods came tumbling through and could not get past the Wallula Gap area. It backed up and formed Lake Lewis. You'll see that rock about right here. This is the part that gets a little hard because it's hard work, and then you come up to the top. So that's a really good representation of a topo map. And we're all pretty familiar with Badger Mountain. This is a really good map. Had we been in class, couple things. Had we been in class, I have this map printed out for you. It's a really good map to put on your refrigerator in case you haven't done a lot of Badger Mountain trails. This is the 1 mile canyon trail to the top, right to here. This is the 2 mile hike. This is Skyline. Skyline goes all the way down to here, and then this is Sagebrush, and this is the Langdon Trail. The Langdon Trail that catches back up into the Skyline Trail down to the Dallas parking lot. This is a really good map. It's online. It's you can find it, color copy it. It's a good map to put on your fridge and decide what map trail you're going to do today. Okay, the topo map descriptions. It's important that the user know how to read the map instructions. This right here is the map instructions. All maps are not the same. I have right here, my husband tends to use green trail maps. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but he uses green trail maps like this, CalTopo maps, which I have a link at the end of this PowerPoint about how to use a CalTopo. The CalTopo, if you follow the directions, it will give you this information on the bottom. Not all of this, but enough information that you need to use. It becomes necessary to examine the marginal information carefully. That's this. Okay.